Welcome to the top 10 daily motivational quotes that will lead to your fulfilling life. Repeat these out loud throughout the day and see your life change. Please indicate below what wise sayings you would like to see to change your life. Day 16. Top 10 quotes for the importance of being present. Before we begin, please subscribe, like, and share to bless someone. Thank you. 1. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. Alice Morse Earl. 2. The art of living is the art of being present. 3. Presence is the greatest gift you can give to someone. 4. The secret of health for both mind and body are no to mourn for the past, nor to worry about the future, but to live the present moment wisely and earnestly. Buddha. 5. Don't let yesterday use up too much of today. 6. The past is behind, learn from it. The future is ahead, prepare for it. The present is here, live it. Thomas S. Monson. 7. Life happens now, not yesterday or tomorrow. 8. The past is a place of reference, not residence. 9. The present moment is the only time over which we have dominion. Thich Nhat Hanh. 10. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Robert Kiyosaki. Day 17 is top 10 quotes on being compassionate. Don't miss it. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share to bless someone. Thank you.